You'll be making $150 every day with just one conversion. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of the best strategies that you can use as a complete beginner on the ClickBank platform to start making money as soon as today. Why I can claim that? Because probably, in my opinion, I am one of the guys who has been the longest on the ClickBank platform. I created my account on ClickBank 9 years ago. And I've been promoting different multiple products from ClickBank and other affiliate networks. I've generated hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some of these strategies you're going to see today are very powerful, and some of these strategies are used by some of my teammates. The first thing we need to do is obviously to go on ClickBank and sign up for an affiliate account. Right here, you can go to clickbank.com. If you're a complete beginner, you don't know what's going on, that's what you should do. And click the Start Here button. And from here, you just follow the steps. It's a survey. You have to complete the survey, and by the end, the system will ask you for your email address, etc., etc. So it's going to create an account for you. Now, once you do that, this is going to be your affiliate account. This is how it's going to look like. So once you're here at the marketplace, the thing you can do is go over to click the marketplace, to navigate here, and now click the top offers. And you're going to see all the offers on the ClickBank platform that you can promote and make money with them. And I've been getting this question quite a lot: why there are so many diet offers on this platform? Well, the simple answer is because there always will be people who want to lose weight, people who want to look better, look beautiful, more handsome, etc., etc. So that's why these diet offers on ClickBank are at the top offers. Of course, on the left side you have categories. You can pick a different category offer that is, let's say, into gaming, education, cooking, computers, business, arts and entertainment. Okay, that is up to you. But the top 3 niches on ClickBank, for your information, are health and fitness, including dieting, make money online, and DIY, do it yourself. Basically, those 3 are my top favorites, and I've been making money with them for all of these years. So now for today's example, we're just gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna just briefly walk you through these offers. On the right side, if you're of course completely new, on the right side you have how much money you're going to make per conversion. That means one conversion, one person converts, and you're gonna make $139. This offer, this one $128, and this one $129. So for today's video example, I'm going to pick this offer, Metabo Flex, which is again weight loss offer, which pays us $150 per conversion. It means that if you make 10 sales a month, which is pretty doable, you're gonna make $1,500 per month, which is pretty good. Let's click promote button. This is how you promote this offer. Click promote, click generate hop link, and this is your unique affiliate tracking link. Let's click copy and open it on a new tab so we can see how it looks like, how the offer looks like. There you go, miracle plant, blah, blah, blah. This is a VSL that will show people how the product works, or will prompt them to buy the product, or to show them the issue they have with obesity, let's say, and then they're gonna show them the solution. So let's close this. Now, moving on to the most important part from today's video, how we make people click on our link. This is the most important part of any marketing, any business. How we make people to go from whatever they're doing on their phone or computer to click our link and go on our landing pages or websites and buy our products. This is one of the most important parts, and we're going to dive in right now. Picture that you're a person that is having a problem, let's say in our case with obesity. So you want to lose weight. You've seen all of these diet offers. You know that most of them are scammy. Most of them are kind of not working. So your job as an affiliate marketer, and I'm going to show you how to do that, is to stand out of the crowd. And how do you stand out of the crowd? By using robots, AI robots. I know probably you've seen that all over the web. We're going to be using ChatGPT. This is an artificial intelligent robot that will create content for us, but we're not just going to paste this content on a website. You're going to see it's a very unique way. So let's come over here, and in the search box, I'm gonna start typing. I'm gonna ask the chatbot to write me an article. Basically, this can play the role of a copywriter. So I'm gonna ask this chatbot, and by the way, this tool is free. You can sign up for free. You don't have to pay anything. So I'm gonna ask the tool, write me a sales letter about weight loss. Weight loss. All right, so the tool is thinking, and boom, dear name. Are you tired of struggling to lose weight and not seeing the results you desire? So this is a pretty good chunk of professional copywriting, right? So I'm gonna click stop generating. We don't want, for today's example, we just wanna make it, keep it short. But what else I'm gonna type is here in the search box. Now that we've read this letter, what grabs people's intention or attention actually is something that is controversial, something that is bizarre, something that is, breaking news. You've seen this on the news or on the websites. When you see breaking news, this is something explicit, something that is controversial. You want to see, your brain is inside, your brain is like, oh, I gotta see what's going on. So now what we want to do is tell this tool to rephrase this text into a more dramatic way. So I'm gonna just type here, make it more dramatic. And this tool can do that. So I'm gonna hit enter. So basically I'm giving a new command here. The command is make it more dramatic. Are you sick and tired of feeling like a prisoner in your own body? This is way more dramatic now, guys. So there we go. I'm gonna click, let's make it. I don't know if you can spot the difference. You see, the first one is saying, are you tired of struggling to lose weight and not seeing the results you desire? Okay, kind of average. And now the more dramatic is, are you sick and tired of feeling like a prisoner in your own body? It is so weird, like these two can do that for us. So from here, this was step 2, to create the content. Step 3 is to get this content and turn it into a video, because nowadays pretty much all the people watch videos online, so they're not gonna read that text. So what we're gonna do, and it's gonna be pretty simple, like I said, for complete beginners, we're gonna go over a website called Pictory.ai or Pictory, I don't know how you pronounce that. By the way, if you like the content so far in this video, you would love my other videos. If you go to youtube.com and type Ross Minchev, I highly recommend you watch this video. 7 essential affiliate apps to increase your money. This is very important video that is going to give you more tools and more like websites that are free that will help you to increase and scale your affiliate campaigns, again, as a complete beginner. So these 7 apps, I again highly recommend you watch them to make even more money. Other than that, hit the like button of this video if you like the information in it so far, and subscribe to the channel. Pictory.ai, sign up for an account, and this is what you're going to see. This is going to be your dashboard. And from here, what we're gonna do, you see the first thing says script to video. We're gonna click proceed. And now we're gonna go back to our weight loss script, which is dramatic, very dramatic. I'm gonna copy this first paragraph. Of course, you have to copy the whole thing, but for today's example, like I said, I wanna keep it short. We're gonna copy this first paragraph, okay? Go back to our Pictory.ai tool, and I'm gonna simply paste the text here and saving changes, boom, we're all good. And by the way, this tool is free as well, so no problem for you. And now everything says saved, and I'm gonna click proceed, and you're going to see the magic, and you're gonna see how fast this is. So I'm gonna click proceed, and I'm gonna choose a template. Let's choose the first one, which is lemon. Select the template. Now here is something important. Choose the 9:16, because 16:9 format is for wide screens, for desktops, and for phones that people hold it that way, sideways. We want 9:16 because usually people hold their phones like that in a tall format. So click continue, and now the tool, look what happens. It's analyzing the text about the prisoner in your own body. And this tool will create us a video for us. And then we can distribute this video to across the web. Oh, but it's one section. So, okay, when this happened, like a lot of text at once, we can actually split the text, as you can see here. Let's say here there is a question mark. I'm gonna hit enter, and I'm gonna split scene right here. And I'm gonna choose this sentence right here. See, then I'm gonna also navigate right here. I'm gonna click split scene, and more maybe somewhere. Are you sick and tired of feeling like a prisoner in your own body? and I might split it somewhere here. Why not? Just so we have less text. Boom. All right. So boom, boom, boom. What we just created, this AI artificial tool, based on our text input, created a video. You go to visuals right here at the left sidebar, visuals, okay. And what you do is basically you can see the tool already recommends us videos about weight loss. Again, it's an AI tool. So I've clicked the first scene is with this guy, then I click here at the bottom. The second scene might be this one. Then the third scene might be, I just scroll and browse through the videos, this one. And the final scene is going to be maybe, I don't know, just maybe prison. Let's type prison here. Prison. Actually, let's put this as a, oops, no, hold on. I'm gonna select, basically you just select these images at the bottom here, these thumbnails. I'm gonna select prison. Then we have, I'm gonna delete the prison, and we're going to select some weight loss images like that. This is prison, this is the weight loss, this guy, and the fourth scene is going to be food, maybe this one. I don't know if you're getting what I'm doing, but basically I can click each of these scenes and then I click on these videos on the left and they're already automatically populated. So let's see what we've done. Let's click again, preview, preparing the video, and another day. Yeah, I have to delete this scene, but anyways, it's going to start here. Boom. Are you sick and tired of feeling like a prisoner in your own body? Weighted down by the extra pounds you've been carrying around for years? Do you feel like you're tired? You've tried diet workouts and blah blah blah. Anyways, you see what a beautiful video that is. What a cool video, and we made it without any professional editors, without any professional copywriters. We actually made it in just a couple of minutes. So now that you have the content, this is your content, you have the offer. The final thing is to prompt people to see that video and to make them want to click your affiliate links. By the end of the video, each video I create here, it says, instead of thanks for watching, I always say, for more information or to lose weight here, basically I click the last scene here. Let me show you how it's done. I click that last scene here. I double click the text, and now I'm gonna make them like desire to click our link. And I'm gonna tell them, hey, if you want to lose weight today, see description. Boom. And I can rasterize this a little bit like that. If you want to lose weight today, see the description. Or I can say, if you want to lose weight fast, see the link below, or something like that. To prompt them, this is basically a call to action. And now I'm gonna click generate, this button here at the top right corner. And then I'm gonna click video right here. And now this tool is creating my video. Okay, so now that you have the video downloaded, it's time to post it somewhere. And where should you post it? Of course, a lot of people are using TikTok, a lot of people are using Instagram and Facebook and Snapchat. But today, I'm gonna show how to post it on Pinterest, which is a social network, or actually, I don't know if it's really a social network. They say it's kind of a social network, but it's a network that allows people to discover content. It's a discovery content network. It's not a social network, which is in our benefit, because we as affiliates or marketers, we want our content or products to be discovered. That's why we use Pinterest. And by the way, I have a lot of tutorials about Pinterest traffic and how to grow on Pinterest. And today I'm gonna just give you a simple example of how to upload this video that you just created to Pinterest, so people can see it and can click your links to buy the product. So let's go over to Pinterest, create an account. You can click sign up right here at the top right corner. And to show you how much traffic Pinterest is getting is, right now I'm at pinterest.com, and this is one of my accounts, Bright Ideas. And here I have an extension, similarweb.com, which gives us the monthly visits to Pinterest.com, which is about 1 billion monthly visits. This is what we want to see. So basically, 1 billion people visit this website, and there's a huge potential for some chunk of this, even 0.001% of these people, if they see our posts and click our links, we're gonna make a good amount of money. Now, once you sign up for Pinterest, over here where it says create, we're gonna click create a pin. I'm gonna click that, and this is what you're going to see. Now, here is very important to add a special title to your pins so they're more discoverable. Basically, here we want to say to the algorithm, to tell the algorithm what this pin is about. So I'm gonna say how to lose weight fast. Boom. It's the fastest way to lose weight. And now it's time to upload our video. I'm gonna click this button right here in the middle, and here is our video we created. I'm gonna click open, and the video is going to be immediately uploaded to the Pinterest platform. The second part is the description. The description is very important because it also gives keywords to the algorithm so it can optimize and show your pin to more people that are ideally looking for weight loss. So that's why the description is important. You can start typing your own text, or you can go back to the ChatGPT tool and just copy some of these text that you have here. So I'm going to do just that, copy this text, go back to Pinterest, paste it here, and boom, that's it. Now, tags are important because again, it also optimizes the algorithm. I'm gonna say here weight loss, health, weight loss, boom, this is it. And then I'm going to say body fat, let's see if they lose body fat. There we go, health, body fat, lose body fat, done. Now the special link, and the final step you should do is to insert your affiliate link. So go back to ClickBank, here is your affiliate link, copy this link, this is the hop link, copy that, go back to Pinterest and click where it says add a destination link and paste your affiliate link here. Now keep in mind that I don't recommend you do that, pasting your affiliate link like this, rolling inside the Pinterest platform, because all of these websites, social networks, Facebook, Pinterest, they don't like affiliate links. But instead what you can do is create a simple landing page, and I'm gonna post a video down in the description below on how you do that. A simple landing page that you post your links there. They look something like this. This is Google Sites or sites.google.com, a free tool that allows you to create a simple website without any coding skills or any programming skills. As a complete beginner, you basically drag and drop elements. And as you can see, I have a video thumbnail here and a little bit of text, and these are my buttons. So basically I would insert my link somewhere here where it says click here, etc, etc. But again, all of that is in another video because it's a very lengthy tutorial on how to create all of that. For today's example, this is basically how you create and drive traffic to your affiliate links. You can of course use TikTok, like I said, Facebook or other social networks, Twitter, Snapchat, use all of them. What I recommend is create accounts in all of these social networks, even Reddit, and start spreading your content. Create multiple content sources, like create more videos, create more, use ChatGPT to generate more text, etc, etc. The more content you have, the higher you're going to rank and the more successful you would be. Of course, all of that is not gonna happen overnight. You're not just going to post a video here and boom, all of a sudden you're gonna start making money. No, you have to post a bunch of videos, you have to wait for the algorithm to optimize, etc, etc. But that's one of the easiest ways to start making money with ClickBank. You saw in the video like how easy it was. Just generate. Back in the day, you had to hire a copywriter to create the text for you, then you had to hire a videographer or video editor to create these videos for you, etc, etc. Now it's all done in one place or a bunch of places, and it's for free, which is pretty insane. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and I'll see you in the next video.